Okay, so KD Sentinel Tax Professionals got her first package delivery. Alright, so this is my printer. And the paper and ink. So we need to get this all set up and start my tax prep business. It'll be up and running. The plan is by November 2020. Okay, I should have all my licensing and everything that I need. I'm starting my classes in August. It is February 9th, 2021. Oh my God, 2021. So February 9th, 2021. So August 2021 is when I start my classes for my tax prep, so I can get my licensing and all that stuff. And so yeah, I'm on my way. I got my first delivery and I'm getting the ball rolling. Let's go.